B2 First and B2 First for Schools prove that students have the language skills they need to communicate in an English-speaking country. It's the next step in the journey after B1 Preliminary for Schools and is recognised by thousands of employers and universities around the world. At B2 First for Schools level, students will be able to follow a conversation, write emails, and talk about what people like to do on holiday.
Most people go on holiday in the summer because the weather is warm, and they usually do things they wouldn't do at home, like going on boat trips, visit famous sites, and eat local food.
Students will also learn how to express and justify their own views and opinions. Angela, do you think teenagers are too young to teach other people?
Yes, I think teenagers are too young to teach other people. I don't think they have the knowledge to teach unless they go to university.
B2 First gives students the confidence to prepare for higher level qualifications, such as C1 Advanced. At this level, students will have the knowledge and fluency to go to university or work in an English-speaking country. Cambridge English qualifications help students develop their English language skills step by step. They help learners prove their skills to the world and lay the foundations for their future success.